There is key words that you use that create breakthroughs. Just like there are key phrases when you are manifesting that create breakthroughs. Greetings, beautiful ones. Fran here, back with another video. So, if you're new to Fran's fam, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're returning, what's up, Fran's fam? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Around here, my goal and my purpose is to help you live your best and grandest life. To help you create all the things that your heart desires. Raising consciousness, changing mindset, one video at a time. If you're down with that, stick around. All right, so I just want to talk to you guys really quick about effective prayer. Okay, so when people talk about prayer, a lot of times you feel like it's traditional prayer. Like, you know, however you're raised, however you're taught to pray, that would be your traditional prayer. And for me, when I am praying for a breakthrough, when I am wanting things to show up in my life, like ASAP, right? Beyond the manifestation part of things, I pray. But I pray all the time. However, I don't pray traditional prayers. I pray affirmatively. And I think that we've talked about that before, right? So when you pray affirmatively, you are praying things over your life as they already are. So let me give you an example. So, dear God, I thank you for this day. I am so thankful and grateful that my business is booming, that my clientele is coming to me. I'm so thankful for the anointing that I walk in, and this anointing attracts the things that I desire. I am so thankful that all of my prayers have been answered. Everything that I have requested is coming to me now, and I am ready to receive. I am so thankful that the word says, and I may throw in, you know, asking it is given, that the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. So therefore, I know that I should be appropriately boom, appropriately boom, appropriately boom. And I give thanks for that. So that is an affirmative, effective prayer. We get so caught up sometime in the asking that we don't get to the receiving part. We are never receiving because we're too busy asking. And when you're so busy asking, you miss when it's coming to you, or when instructions are coming to you, when God is saying to you, okay, Fran, go do this, or okay, Fran, go do that. Because we're too busy trying to see what we're asking for instead of believing that we already have it. When you pray affirmatively, you break bonds and you break down walls, barriers, because what you are saying to God and what you are saying to your heavenly staff is, I know this is already done. I'm just very thankful for it right now, and I'm waiting on it to show up in my physical existence. I'm waiting on it to be right here, right now, and in the meantime, I'm going to let you know that I'm thankful for it, and I'm going to continue to move on. I had somebody ask me recently, do I keep praying for the same thing until it comes? Absolutely not. When you pray affirmatively, you know that it's already done. You don't need to continue to keep asking for the same thing over and over again. The prayer is answered. There is specific wording in prayer that brings breakthrough. I know that. I'm so thankful for. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know that it is done according to your word. I know that though it may tarry, it's still coming. I have created the vision. I have made it plain. You have to use words that are powerful, and you have to claim and call in these things in all of your God-given power. Listen, you cannot be wimpy about the things you're asking for. Now, I know that some people are going to be like, well, what do you mean? Am I supposed to just force God to do it? Am I supposed to be forceful in it? You don't have to force God to do anything. God's already willing to do it. What you have to force is your mindset to get it aligned with what's coming out of your mouth and become delusional about the fact that you've asked for this and it's already done, even when you cannot see it. Faith is knowing that it's done even when you cannot see it. That's faith. And operating in that faith moves mountains. You want to know about manifestation? You want to know how to create quickly? Affirmatively pray. Pray as if you already have it. It's just like scripting. A lot of you have taken my scripting course and have come back and said, oh my God, I wish I would have took this 2 years ago. Just closed on my house. Just got a new job. Just this. Just testimony after testimony after testimony. And you know why? Because in that scripting package, there is key words that you use that create breakthroughs. Just like there are key phrases when you are manifesting that create breakthroughs. Just like when you are affirming things, you affirm I am. You don't affirm I will. When you pray, you do the same thing. I am more than a conqueror. I am a boss and I am attracting. I am so thankful that I have now attracted. There are key words that you use when you're praying, when you're manifesting, when you are creating. And if you use those words at a higher vibrational frequency, which means that you don't use them like this, I am so happy and thankful that today is a good day. That don't even sound like you mean it. You have to come from your sacral chakra when you are affirming things. You get deep down in your belly and you say, I am more than a conqueror. You say it with your chest. You say it like you mean it, right? And you go forth in that energy of I am because God said I am, and you can't tell me that I'm not. That's how you effectively pray. All right, guys, just wanted to jump in really quick and drop that for y'all because I get a lot of emails about that. And I love the emails, so keep them coming. Get active in the comments, y'all. Let's chat about it. Let's talk about how you're feeling about this and other things. All right, I will talk to you soon. Until then, peace be with you. Bye for now.